Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a bag from any leftover material. I'm using the leftover jean legs from my previous video. So let's get into it. First, I cut along the side seams of both legs to have 4 pieces of fabric. Then I cut the edges off to create a squarer shape. I then decided how big I wanted my bag to be. I made mine 10 inches, but yours doesn't need to be the same. I marked this on both pieces, drew a straight line across the fabric, then cut along the line. You'll have something that looks like this. Place these 2 pieces right sides together and pin around 3 of the edges, leaving the top open. Then fold the top edges over about ½ inch and pin in place to make a hem around the top of the bag. Then sew where you've pinned. Once that's done, turn this inside out so it's now the right way round, and this is the body of the bag complete. On to making the straps. Using the other 2 pieces of fabric I put aside earlier, I measured a piece 2 inches wide and 10 inches long. I then decided this wasn't long enough, so changed it to 12 inches and cut this out. I repeated this step so I'd have 2 of these. I folded these in half, right sides together, and pinned along the edge. Then sewed where I'd pinned to create 2 tubes. I then turned these inside out to be the right way round. These are the straps. Next, I pinned these to the inside edge of the bag, and when I was happy with how they looked, I sewed these in place. I decided to add a pocket to the front, but this is optional. Taking the spare piece of material, I placed a pocket I'd taken off of a shirt onto it. I then cut this out and pinned it onto my bag where I wanted it to be, and sewed this on. I hand sewed this, but I'd recommend sewing this on before you make the body of the bag to make it easier. The bag was now complete, and this is how it looked. I found the size I chose was perfect for my everyday items. This is another one I made from a different pair of jeans. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.